My name is Peter Markussen. I work for the Danish transmission system operator Energinet, where I'm heading our international relations and where we are sharing and cooperating on our knowledge to accelerate the green transition and find good solutions. So we are a transmission operator both for electricity, for gas, and also we are looking at establishing a hydrogen transmission grid. So in gas, it is, for example, the integration of biomethane. In Denmark, we have 40% of biomethane in our gas consumption. And when it comes to hydrogen, there we are looking at establishing a backbone to Germany. For us, it's very much about sector coupling. So where you are integrating the gas, the electricity, the hydrogen with, for example, also with transport, with heating. In Denmark, we have a lot of district heating. So it's about sector coupling to get the flexibility in the energy system and also then to reduce the costs in investments. You say from our side, one thing is, of course, that you have the regulation necessary for us, for example, to get the investment approval in, for example, hydrogen. So there is a need for the regulatory framework. That's important, and with the subsidy systems for the use of hydrogen and also the framework for producing the hydrogen. So that's one of the important steps that is needed. The technology is there to produce the green electricity, to produce the hydrogen, and also the electrolyzers is there. Of course, there is still industrialization potential, but very much it's also on the consumption side where there is a need for new technologies. So how to use the hydrogen, for example, for ship transport, sea transport, being used in the energy-intensive industry, there still is a need for new technology solutions. We are starting from scratch, so for us it is to build the first hydrogen transmission grid. So that is a big challenge, but also a huge opportunity. And also when it comes to then the combination or the sector coupling, there is also a lot of opportunities for getting flexibility into the energy system, for improving security of supply and reducing investments. But of course it's also a challenge because historically, we very much have worked in silos, but now we have to work together, get to know each other. You can say from producing the energy to consuming it, it's a very long value chain. And there is a lot of different companies involved, both in the production, the maintenance, the monitoring, the commercial parts, the investment parts, the technical solutions. And there we need to know each other much better to find the good solutions and help each other with the small parts of the puzzle that each of us have. So participating in conference like this or in the Decarbonisation conference, that is just important.